Hello, students. In this small presentation, you will learn about pronoun reference. As you can see from the definition, a pronoun is a word that substitutes for a noun or a noun phrase that has already been referred to. A referent is the word or phrase that the pronoun is replacing. Pronouns are used to avoid repetition of noun or noun phrases. It is important for you to understand pronouns and their uses to better comprehend what you are reading. First, I'm going to go to the chart that you will be using so you can understand what you have to do. For this exercise, you will be working with Unit 1, Reading A. You are to reread Unit 1, Reading A, The Secrets of the Maya. Find the designated word or words, underline them or highlight them in the text. Look for what the pronoun refers to. Write it in the space provided in the chart. Now let's go to the first example, which we can do together. Example 1, line 6 reads, we're looking for the pronoun he. What is true, Arturo? He shouts. And Montero yells again, the zenith light, it really works. Get down here. From this example, you see that there are two men talking. In order to know which one the he stands for, you have to read well. In this case, he refers to Guillermo de Anda, the other man in the reading. Therefore, you would put Guillermo de Anda in the referent space. Now let's go back to the chart and see what I've done. So you see how that's done? You find the line in the reading, you find the pronoun from the chart, then you put what the pronoun refers to in the referent space. Now you will continue to do the rest on your own. Good luck, students.